model, 71 plate Ford Transit Connect 230 Trend Tdci very long MOT crew cab van 5-seater. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 136537. MOT, the 12th of August 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCi 120 PSS 6H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well on all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con, 2 keys, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.